Doesn't seem a whole lot more powerful.
Guy's gonna buzz the airfield. He's waving at us.
Is he actually? Or are you just funning?
That's what I was wondering.
Oh yeah. But that's not the airplane he sent us pictures of.
He definitely knows we're here.
He wants me to come up and play with him.
Yeah. I want to see you dogfight.
Time remaining.
Yeah,
4
get
minutes.
closer to that antenna.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
I cut the timer down to 5 minutes. I figured I'd fly it a little tougher now. Just a little pirouette. It's going to be interesting to see if that was Don in that plane flying by.
I could tell by the way he was coming in that somebody knew the field was here.
That's a little test of the aileron, or yeah, the aileron.
Yeah.
Well, that's the stabilizer helping out too. 4.